Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to check out these trending hairstyles. So the first one features a transformation. She goes from this brunette to this blonde pixie cut. And then we see this stunning classic bob. This one does feature longer bangs in the front, center parts, and a gorgeous chocolate tone hue. So then we move into another transformation. So she's going to be getting a bob haircut with this one. She started off with shoulder length hair, and the stylist has cut the hair into a nice classic bob. And then we see this stunning classic pixie cut. And then we see more of a rocker chic pixie. This one does feature pops of color throughout. She has some blue going there, some yellow, orange, and a very spiky middle going down the center of this pixie. So then we see another hair transformation. So she starts off with mid-length hair. Oh wow, she ended up getting this gorgeous classic pixie cut. This is stunning. Short hair definitely suits her. So the next transformation features someone with a pixie cut. She does have a very subtle split dye trend happening there. Blonde on one side, brunette on the other. So it looks like she's just kind of cutting and creating some texture within her pixie. Very nice, and I am loving this subtle split dye trend that she has happening. So gorgeous. And then we see a pixie undercut. This one does have a bowl shape. And then we move into a hair transformation. So it looks like she is getting a pixie with this one as well. Nice face framing layers. Definitely a classic Peter Pan pixie. And then we move into this gorgeous shaggy curly cut. The shag is a great option if you have curly hair naturally, or if you are just looking to add in some layers or volume to the hair. The shag is a great style for doing so. So this next haircut is of a lob. I wasn't sure where he was going with it, but that came out gorgeous. And then we see more of a classic bob, complete with Cleopatra style bangs. And then we see a shoulder length hairstyle for the next one. She does have natural gray tones with this one. So if you guys are loving any of these hairstyles featured in today's video, don't forget to give this one a like, and of course subscribe if you want to see more hairstyle ideas. So the stylist ended up doing a nice underflip with that one, and then the next hairstyle is going to feature some bangs. It looks like this one might be another shaggy cut. Yes, absolutely gorgeous. And then we move into a pixie hair transformation. So she's going to be getting a longer pixie with this one. Nice long bangs in the front. Oh, very nice. I love how he styled it at the end. So then we see a lob transformation for the next one. Oh, this is gorgeous. She did a very nice blunt cut. Very nice. And then we see a bit of a pixie transformation. Alright you guys, so thank you so much for checking out another video. If you were loving today's looks, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.